I'm Dr. Asma Kazmi, and I have done a PhD from here, and now I am doing as a lectureship in the Department of Fine Arts, and from 2003, now I am reading my paper. Role of faith. The topic of my paper is role of faith in developing compassion and fellow feeling, Risale-e-Noor perspective. I have divided my paper into 3 sections. Section 1, Introduction, and Section 2, Role of Faith in Developing Compassion and Fellow Feeling, Sayyid Nursi's Approach. Section 3, Concluding Remarks. Now, very briefly, I want to present the theme of the paper.
Well, it is 15 minutes, and then you will have 5 minutes question and answer session. If you use 20 minutes, then there is no question. But if you want to people to have question and widen, your discussion, then please finish in 15 minutes time.
I will try.
Yes.
Islam is a religion of love and compassion for not only human beings but non-human beings as well. Its prime aim is to inculcate a sense of love, compassion, care, sympathy, and fellow feeling for entire humanity, irrespective of any man-made or geographical consideration. Islam very carefully instructs its followers to recognize the role of faith in developing moral ideals and service to humankind out of love and compassion. In this regard, scores of Quranic verses and traditions of Prophet are evident, stressing equally on actions performed out of love, care, and cheer. It is a historical fact that the Islamic civilization throughout the ages, adopting the intrinsic value of compassion and goodwill, it set great examples of human equality, peace, tolerance, and universal brotherhood. The Prophet of Islam, his companions, Imams, and Sufis all stress on Islam's unique philosophy of equal treatment grounded in the love, service, and well-being of humankind. Sayyid Nursi believes that the Quran is a holy book of light and compassion for the entire humankind. Similarly, Allah is the creator and sustainer of the entire universe, and the Prophet of Islam has been sent as mercy to all the realm of being. In the light of Risale-e-Noor, we can easily understand his vision and mission. As Islam is a religion of peace, justice, tolerance, goodwill, and compassion, therefore it always preaches human values and ideals based on mercy, equality. Accordingly, God has also prescribed certain commandments for the regulation of human conduct. Man is instructed to live peacefully, lovefully, and justly, so that the better socio-political order could be established. It must be kept in mind that the Quran is not a holy scripture for the Muslims only. It is undoubtedly a beacon of light for the entire humankind. Similarly, Allah is the creator and sustainer of the entire universe and humankind, and the Prophet of Islam has been sent as mercy to all the realms of being. According to the Quran, God is the most merciful, compassionate, and the sustainer of the worlds. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has also been presented to be Mercy al-Rahman for all the realm of beings. In fact, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ explains theoretically and demonstrates particularly the meaning of mercy, justice, kindness, goodness, tolerance, equality, racial harmony, and fraternity to humankind. He equally showers his mercy to other non-human living creatures of God as well. One may visualize these Islamic ideals in the writings and speeches of Bediüzzama Sayyid Nursi most prominently in his Risale-e-Noor. He beautifully explains Islamic concepts through short stories by using simple language of common people, and chiefly addresses his own soul at some length with words inspired by the verses of the Quran, from which he got much inspiration. As he says, I got, now I shall address my soul with these same words, but briefly in the language of ordinary people. Whoever wishes may listen together with me, unquote. Sayyid Nursi, referring to the Quran, aptly brings out that every cereals for our bodily requirements, all kinds of fruits, water, and everything seems gifts from the compassionate and merciful Supreme Creator. Nursi writes, I thought, fruit bearing trees produce fruit from the treasury of mercy, and rain is source of life and pure mercy. Thus the water of life and rain of mercy does not enter under a monotonous law consideration. Islam very carefully instructs its followers to recognize the role of faith in developing moral ideals and service to humankind out of love and compassion. In this regard, scores of Quranic verses and traditions of the Prophet are evident, stressing equally on actions performed out of love, care, and cheer. If Muslims of all denominations understand this message of the Holy Book, they will not only be rendering great service to humankind, but also earning the good pleasure of Allah and the blessing of the Prophet of Islam. As the truths of the Quran and Islam became increasingly apparent in this age of globalization, scientific discovery, and theological advancement, the lessons of noted great Islamic scholars Bediüzzaman Sayyid Nursi's spiritually oriented sermon of 1911 and other components of Risale-e-Nur increase in significance. The civilization of the future is true civilization, the civilization of Islam. It will be achieved through Muslims heading these lessons that encode on divine revelation and firm Islamic faith, and rebuilding their society on the foundation of belief and on the morality of Islam. However, we are hopeful that there are a considerable number of scholars in Muslim and non-Muslim worlds who try hard in working out what is the best and appropriate in all the religions to serve and love God through His creatures, especially to humanity around the globe. Bediüzzaman Sayyid Nursi's sincere efforts to present the Islamic philosophy of compassion in a better way will pave the way for humankind as a whole. He may safely be said to be a progressive, radical, and forward-looking Muslim philosopher and social reformer who had embedded modern values and ideals and absorbed elements of value both from the East and the West, and interpreted Islamic worldview in the light of the contemporary philosophical and scientific outlook. In fact, Nursi sincerely and devotedly worked for the restoration of Islamic faith to enlighten and strengthen Muslims in their socio-political and ethio-religious spheres. Finally, we can conclude that Nursi is faithfully highlighting the role of faith in developing compassion and fellow feeling in the light of Risale-e-Nur, prepares suitable and fertile ground for the better understanding of Islamic spiritual worldview and effective value system to enrich the young minds of 21st century. That's all.
Thank you very much.